Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Daniel and today we are going to be reviewing the PowerBeats Pro. If you are new on my channel, I haven't actually posted in like a month just because there's a lot of stuff going on. I've been focusing on my second ASMR channel, link in the description box below. I mainly do tech videos here as well as a really wide range of other videos that I post every once in a while to this channel. Alright, so let's get started with this because I'm actually really excited about this product. So first of all, PowerBeats Pro is a Bluetooth wireless dual set of earphones that hook around the back of your ear and cost $249.99. That's a lot of money. For headphones, that's a lot of money. That's more expensive than AirPods. I actually don't have my AirPods with me anymore because one of the headphones quit working. I sold them online for the spare case and a spare AirPod for someone else to have. And then I turned around and I actually bought the PowerBeats 3. I bought the PowerBeats 3 because they were cheaper than the PowerBeats Pro, but it really kind of didn't satisfy my urge, and the cord that loops around the back of your head got on my nerves so bad that I switched to these. Now these actually are quite awesome. They have a really good bass. They have the hook around the back of your ear, unlike the AirPods Pro, because one of the big problems that I had with that was the fact that my AirPods kept falling out of my ear. I'm someone, when I work out, which as you can clearly see, I have not done in a couple months, they fall out of my ear because I get so sweaty. That's just, I mean, some of us just sweat more than others, but also some of us don't have the correct ear shape, I guess you could say, to fit the AirPods in their ear comfortably and they actually stay in. So I think that it's kind of a big deal that some people are just going to need this little loop that goes around the back of their ear that's gonna allow you to keep this in place regardless of what's going on or what you're doing. Now, something that I am gonna say, this case is absolutely huge. This is not going to comfortably fit in your pocket. It's not actually going to comfortably fit anywhere because it's so big and bulky. But I actually don't mind that because I bought this about a month and a half ago. I use these every other day, if not daily, whether I'm working out or not. Don't get me wrong, I haven't been working out. The charging case that works pretty much exactly the same way that the AirPods do charges the headphones, and you only have to charge the case when the battery starts to get low. Now, I am disappointed because this is charged by a lightning cable, which I find strange because this is a Beats product. I know Beats are owned by Apple, but you would think they would have switched to USB-C by now, especially if this is a brand new product. With that being said, I've had these for about a month and a half, and I've only had to charge the case once, and I heavily use these. So really, you're sacrificing size to gain battery, in my opinion. Especially since I use these so much, I can confidently say that you're gonna get a lot better battery with this. Along with the battery, you get more bass with these actually, I've noticed. Sometimes I'll put on music when I'm busy doing something, and the bass will actually kind of make me jump a little bit just because I'm not expecting it. And I did not get anything remotely close to that when I was using my AirPods. Something I will say about this case that I'm actually not a big fan of is the placement of the headphones in the actual case. So when you go to place these in, you have to put them in at the exact correct angle. You have little charging metal divots in the bottom of the headphones. You place them into the actual case. You will hear a slight snap, and then that's how you know that they're charging. But I've actually put these in the case and closed them very quickly. I didn't hear that snap, and they didn't charge properly. It's just something that comes with this type of case and the way that it operates. Engineering-wise, I think that could have been a lot better, especially if you're paying $250 for something like this. Overall, do I think this price is okay? Absolutely not. I don't think that this is a good price for the product. I think that this would be solid at like the $199 range, but I think they're just pushing it a little bit too high for a product like this. I'm gonna put a link in the description box below in case you want to purchase any of these. Keep in mind that it is an affiliate link, so I do get a little bit of commission from that. These are difficult times, and I am not gonna be too proud to beg here. So please go subscribe to my ASMR channel and stay tuned for more tech videos on this channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.